What's up, everybody? Fat Cracker here. You know what time it is. It's time to cook. I got a recipe. I saw a video this week. I want to try out. I'm going to do it my way. We're going to make homemade chicken nuggets, big back style. Stay tuned while we get it all put together. All right, everybody, here we go. These are high protein chicken nuggets. So what we got right now is I got 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts diced up. I'm going to put them in our blender. Got that in there. Wipe my hands real quick. We're going to put, maybe, give me a minute. I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese in there. Shredded Parmesan. Put about a handful in there. And then we're going to get us 2 eggs. Put them in there. Then we're going to take a couple handfuls of pork skins. Get them in there. Try to push it down a little bit. Then on that, we're going to put my Badia Poultry Seasoning Southern Blend on there. Put quite a bit in there. And then we'll get it ready. We'll put it on the blender, blend it up, and come back and show you what to do. All right, everybody, we got our mixture blended up. So here's what we're going to do. This is what it looks like. We're going to set it over here. And then what we do is we reach in, we grab it, and we'll patty it out. However big you want to make it. If you want to make it like chicken tenders, or you just want to make it like a chicken nugget. And then you just patty them out, get them on your pan, and then you stick them in the air fryer. But what I'll do is I'll go through it, I'll patty all these out. I'm going to do 3 different batches. I'm going to do some with that Southern Blend Poultry Seasoning, some with a little bit of Tony's, and then some that are lemon pepper. And we'll get all those cooked up and air fried and see how they turn out. Let me do that and let me get this prep, and I'll show you what it looks like before we put it in the air fryer. All right, everybody, we got all our chicken nuggets patted out. This is our Southern style seasoning. We'll move over here. This is our lemon pepper seasoning. We'll move over here. This is our Tony's. Now for the lemon pepper and the Tony's, I make those a little bit bigger, so I got less on the pan. But if you make them all about the same size, like the Southern style, I got about 26 nuggets out of 2 chicken breasts and 2 handfuls of pork skins and some Parmesan cheese and 2 eggs. So that'll give you cheaper than the store-bought Tyson. And you can make them yourself, and they ain't that hard. So we'll get these in the air fryer. I'm going to air fry them at 425 and see how they turn out. We'll let y'all know. All right, everybody. This is our first batch of chicken nuggets coming out. We had some issues. We had them on a regular cookie sheet, and the air couldn't circulate good on them, so we ended up changing them to an air fry basket that came with the oven there. And they ended up browning up, turning up pretty good. And we'll get one and we'll try it and see how it turns out. A little hot. Got a good flavor, a little dry, probably another egg instead of just the 2. We'll keep it from drying out on us, but put your barbecue sauce, your ketchup, or whatever you like to eat them with it, and I'm sure they'll turn out good. They're high in protein. They might be better for you than McDonald's. All right, everybody. Remember, if you ain't trying, you ain't making it, bud. Any comments, leave them. You want to argue, we can argue. But there they are. Y'all have a good one.